Okay, hello, my name is Pandiputra Putra with name 2215101020. So in this chance, I will explain about my last or final exam that network computer. In this final exam, I got code 9 for the final exam, and then this is the briefing. And in this exam, I got the IP that this IP for my exam that this IP will use for the topology that I made or I create. And then this is the briefing about my final exam. So first I will show that my IP for this network. This is for the LAN number 1, 2, and 3. In LAN number 1, I use IP that this IP 172.16.10 and then 126/25 for the router, and then the DHCP will use that 10.1. The pattern that I use for this for addressing its network or LAN is the IP number 1 or the first IP, the first host IP I will use for the server DHCP in this DHCP server, and then the last IP I will use for the router, and then we got C in this LAN number 1 and number 2. And then for LAN number 3, the 3W for the IP 11.5/29, and then for DNS is 11.6/29. And then in this LAN 3 also have a router number 2 that I use IP /11.4. And then this is the IP for the interface that to connect each other for the router. This is I separate for each router have a IP that /30 to make sure that the two router that connected and other interface can connect also, because the host only 2. And then this is the range IP for the DHCP server, and then this is the routing IP routing. Also I add the assumption that in this final exam I use a method VLSM that for the addressing the IP that I got for this topology. So let's into the topology. In this topology, as we can see, from the LAN number 1, I will show that the DHCP service, start from IP 10.2 until 1.1.2.1.2.4. Okay. Also I will show that the PC configuration. Okay, the PC configuration use DHCP for addressing. Also in the LAN number 2, also use DHCP. Oh sorry, this is the DHCP server not use DHCP, but they give DHCP. This is the setting of the LAN 2 for the DHCP. Start from 130 because the first IP has been used for the server, and then the last IP I use for the router. And then we check the connectivity LAN 1 and LAN 2. Okay, success for PC to PC, and then PC to server. Okay, success too, and then server to server. Okay, successfully. Then we into the LAN number 3. In the LAN number 3, for the 3W, I use this IP 172.16.11.5 and then /29 for the IP for this ini. I also setting the gateway. The gateway is the IP that my router use for this ini. And then the DNS. In this DNS, we add some feature for elearning.edu with IP that we has been setting in the www or the web server. So the PC will access the elearning edu, and then the PC will connect to the server. Okay, now we check connectivity from LAN 2 into web server in the LAN 3. Okay, success. And then from LAN 2 into the web server LAN 3, and okay, successfully. Okay, and the last part I will show about the web browser for access the web server that we has been used in the DNS. Long time to okay, we access elearning.edu. Okay, we success to connect or to in the elearning edu that we has been setting in the DNS. Okay, that's all the presentation about my final exam. This is the topology that I made, that I create with my understanding, and then my method, that VLSM, to separate the IP that I got the IP first. The IP first /23 I subnet, I separate into the small part and then I give to every interface in this topology. Okay, thank you for watching, and thank you.